so you have to click on this verify. Now here you see this take 6-second video of yourself. Click on this. Next. You have to accept this and you have to record your video. Now you see this, it's done. Our video verification is done. After like 12 to 24 hours you can put the links in your description. There will be no restriction. Your YouTube channel will be verified. Now you see this, after 2 hours I got this mail that your verification is approved. So now I can put the links again. So generally it takes 12 to 24 hours, but it can be fast also. In my case it's just 2 hours. So I hope this video is helpful for you and this will 100% solve your problem. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.